Lecture 2. Fundamentals of the CISA exam and certification. CISA is the abbreviation of Certified Information System Auditor. It has 3 parts. The first part is Certified, the second part is Information System, and the third part is Auditor. To solve questions in the exam, you should have a clear understanding of these 3 parts. We will briefly review them now. The first part is Certified. A CISA professional degree is awarded by the Information Systems Audit and Control Association, or ISACA. The degree is awarded after meeting the following standards. Number 1. Pass the examination. It's a 4-hour-long exam, and you have to answer 150 multiple-choice questions. 450 is the pass mark. For your information, ISACA uses and reports scores on a standard scale from 200 to 800. You will get more details about the exam from www.isaca.org. Number 2. Meeting the qualification and having the experience. It requires 5 or more years of experience in IS audit, control, assurance, or security. A maximum of 3 years is available for a waiver. You will get details from the ISACA website. Number 3. Maintain the ISACA Code of Professional Ethics. CISA professionals must maintain the Code of Professional Ethics of ISACA. Knowing the Code of Professional Ethics is also important to answer some of the questions in the examination. Number 4. Follow ISACA IS Audit Assurance Standards and Guidelines. The CISA professional must follow ISACA standards and related guidelines. ISACA IS Audit Assurance Standards and Guidelines are also essential to solving some of the exam questions. Number 5. Use ISACA IS Audit and Assurance Tools and Techniques. ISACA IS Audit and Assurance Tools and Techniques are also helpful for finding solutions to questions. So, only if a person passes the CISA exam, meets the qualifications, has the experience, maintains the ISACA Code of Professional Ethics, follows ISACA IS Audit Assurance Standards and Guidelines, and uses ISACA IS Audit and Assurance Tools and Techniques, will ISACA award the CISA professional degree. The second part is Information System. If we recall our daily activities, we'll recognize that we're using the phone, smartphone, TV, newspaper, social networking, various types of communication channels, PCs, laptops, servers, routers, switch, satellites, IP phones, GPS, and a load of other systems. So could you please tell me what they're processing? Yes, you're right. They're processing information. All of these, including the human being, is processing information. Each bit, a 0 or 1, represents the smallest portion of data that's used to form the byte, for example 1000, 1001, and these bytes are known as the data. Information is related to data and knowledge, where data represents values and knowledge is the understanding of real things. The bit is a unit of information, so each bit is vital in the era of information security. The information processing system is a system that can be either electrical, mechanical, or biological, which takes information or a sequence of symbols or states in one form and processes or transforms it into another. It is the ultimate information processing system. Remember that the information processing system is referred to as the information system, or IS. There are 3 elements in the information processing system: people, process, and technology. To recall it easily, memorize PPT. The first P is for people, the second P is for process, and the T is for technology. To solve any CISA question, first think which elements are involved with the target information processing system. Remember, people are the most valuable and highest vulnerable element in the information processing system. For any situation, people's safety comes first. Then think about the protection of other assets. The second vital element of the information processing system are processes. Remember that a process may be automated, manual, semi-automated, or semi-manual. Technology itself is the least vulnerable element in the information processing system environment because every technology has been released to the market after passing various tests in appropriate laboratories. During an audit, to find any anomaly, first consider human involvedness, and then the process, and, last of all, the technology. Now the third part is the auditor. The auditor performs the audit activities. We will discuss the specific activities of the auditor throughout the whole domain.